Hello, if you are wondering why your Samsung Galaxy A57 keeps beeping, well, this could be actually for a few reasons. The first one, about NFC thing. So your phone might be scanning a credit card in your wallet case. If possible, you have to just simply go for connections and make sure to turn off the NFC. But if not working, there's also a chance that you have set up some reminders. So how it looks, you have to go for notifications just over here, and now you will have to go for notifications advanced settings, and here we got that notification alerts, repeat notification alerts, and once you actually turn it on for any application, we can find that interval with a sound. So just make sure that you are gonna turn that off. And but what also, sometimes you can check your charging port for moisture or light with triggers, which will actually triggers safety pings, and that's actually everything. Or sometimes, but it's very rare, then you can check your wireless emergency alerts, or just give it a force restart by clicking and holding the volume up button and the power button until the screen turns off. This is like few things that will probably cause your phone to beep. Let me know if it was correct and helped you.